Kaden.
Normal.
Oh, they were a couple, but I know them, so I don't want.
You know everybody.
Do you have a date?
How you be messy, bro?
What if? Lucky guys, I might just run across.
That doesn't mean you should die.
You know, you only live once. Not kidding. If she don't talk to her, then I don't talk to her. Actually, my hair is blonde. I'm an actual blondie.
Dark chocolate, sexy motherfucker. Me bum.
This Bob Marley son, this Skip Marley right here.
Okay, you do look like
This nigga look like Skip Marley.
All right, that's enough with the That's enough. King Chicken Express. That was embarrassing. I'm embarrassed for her. I caught second, third, and fourth hand embarrassment.
Get fourth, my nigga.
What's going on? Your boy Vaughn in the building. Who we got today?
Good. My name Batman. How y'all doing?
Who the fuck is that? That's your boyfriend? Your girlfriend?
Ah, and you know what you did, right? You know what you did. The porn on your computer made my fucking jaw drop. It is hot as hell. God damn.
You're not gonna run past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
We speak English, sir? We speak English. Nigga, I ain't ugly.
I start on Romeo.
Okay, what's your name?
Fuck, we both know each other.
No.
Hey man, they trying to make me do a loyalty test outside. All right, so we going through it, right? Hold on, who is Corey Walker? Who's this?
No.
All right, this is the first account, right? We're gonna go to this one. Yeah, y'all think she be talking to girls?
Oh my, stop playing with me.
Like, you think she be letting dykes like slick talk on her?
All right.
It's nothing in mine.
No.
if he says his cousin, then you know that's a lie.
Teddy, no, I'm not gonna shut up.
Yeah.
It ain't nothing. Kiana.
What?
Okay, they valid. They passed. Okay, thank you.